everyone, my name is Shaza Nadia. My parents call me Nadia, but my sister call me Sisi. And you can call me Shaza. I come from small province in Sumatra called Jambi, and I live in small regency that everyone called Tebo. I had studied in pesantren for 6 years that everyone called me Santri. I love being live in pesantren and being in love there. In pesantren, I can meet my kiai, teachers, friends like family, and maybe boyfriend. Pesantren create me to be a strong human and to be person that do not show that you rich. UI is my dream university, and my teachers support me. Nadia, you will accept it for UI. Don't forget to always read our Qiyah, Al-Muluk, and Yasin, and don't leave your Sunnah fasting. And then 28 March 2023, Shaza Nadia already accepted for public relation major at Universitas Indonesia. That's all my story, and bye.
Hello, I am Maria Gabriel Masasael. Everyone call me May. Expect my dear family will call me Bongso, which meant the last child of love. And I come from the Tanimbar Island, the province of Maluku. I graduated from the UI Vocational Public Relation SNBP PET and the first skill in my school SMA Negeri 8 who did not expect to graduation to the universities of everyone dreams. And this is best patient I can be her I regional kill and meet and now ask more for and I the people or have never crossed my life. And I will strive for the foster and complete my students her to be proud of all the people I love and always support me. Hands start everything, still feel like I dream to be her and sometimes the feeling of longing to go home is always inside in my mind. But I'm sure I can survive and be the pride of the people who love me. Thank you.
Hey, this is Alia Imtiaz. People usually call me Alia. I was born in Cilacap, but now I live in East Jakarta. I'm a type person who is difficult to adapt to new people. Having worries in the adaptation process filled my mind. Anxiety, afraid that the anxiety I had was true on this campus. However, my thinking was wrong. It turned out that I could pass well. A talk at the beginning, I was not really able to participate in campus activities because I was also not used to being in a crowd. Everything changed here. I became a person who talked more when slowly about friends who had not been my best friends for long. The personality that I have been suppressing for a long time finally made me able to express again with new good friends here. Bye, Alia Imtiaz.
Hi there, my name is Andita Putria Saraswati. I was born and raised in Jakarta. I wanted to share my experience about adapting to life at University of Indonesia. It's been quite a journey for me, and let me tell you about my early days. One of the first things I did to adapt was immerse myself in books. I found solace in the university library, where I could dive into various subjects. It helped me not only academically, but also in understanding the diverse perspective of people around me. Another essential part of my adaptation was finding strength in prayer. Every morning, I will find a peaceful spot, close my eyes, and connect with Allah. It gave me the spiritual grounding, and I needed to face the challenge of university life. To clear my mind and relax, I started taking long walks around the campus. The environment and fresh air helped me to think clearly and appreciate the beautiful.
Hi, it's me Zara, the last daughter of two siblings. I was born in Jakarta, but when I was 11 grade moved to my father's village in the Padang area. But when I moved to Padang, I went to a private high school and never thought I would be one of student at UI. Public relation department from my close person, so that it became one of my friends to process in participating in teaching and learning activities on this campus. I previously lived and went to school in the city of Padang, not fully experiencing culture shock because previously living in Jakarta become one of the new things for me to be able to go back to school and also be Jakarta again. I'm very grateful to be able to enter the famous state campus in Indonesia.
Hi, my name is Bianca, the second child of three siblings. I commute from East Jakarta or Jakarta. I got into University of Indonesia, SNBT pathway. Me, everyone deserves a dream. Getting into this campus is the thing I'm most grateful for. Why? After the many fears and anxieties I had about friendship and many thoughts that were still left behind in high school, I was so afraid of friendship that I always talked to my best friend about how I was not strong enough to adapt when I first started OSPEC. Slowly, I was able to load a lot of interaction, also had time to register for the commute, so that I loaded the closeness with my friends in the same department as well as my class. I also had an older sister from high class who was close to me and now I am friends with them, people who changed my point of view on the subject of friendship. Thanks God, I'm very grateful for this and thank you, I'm Bianca.
Bianca, how do you feel when you got accepted from this university?
I'm very grateful for this.
Oh my god, promise me for 3 years?
Promise.